Hey, this is Jason Venata of Venata Fabrication. When I installed these Kindig door handles, I thought it'd be cool to put LED lights behind them so they could light up at night, kind of like maybe something a new vehicle would have. Because what I did is, it's really hard, probably can't even see. Yeah, there they are. I drilled 3 holes in the pocket, then popped LEDs in there. They are wired into the Digital Guard Dog push button start kit. It's got 4 extra outputs so you can run different things off of. And it's also wired into the underglow kit. You'll see that come on. Right now I got the underglow kit installed under the bed, but I haven't done the engine bay yet. So anyway, I'll show you how they work with the remote. Oh, it also lights up everything. So when you're approaching the vehicle, you'll get to see all the lights work. I thought it'd be cooler to do this instead of wiring it into the marker lights. Can't even see it. So I think this will look cool to cruise night or indoor car show. Well, anyway, hope y'all like it.